In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to add your card to your Apple Wallet. So let's get into it. First, start by opening your Apple Wallet. Then in the top right hand corner, click on the plus icon to add your card. Disclaimer, if you don't get this pop-up to add your card, then this just means that in your country this feature is not available. To add your card, click add debit or credit card. Then press continue. Now there are two ways to add your card to your wallet. First, you can start by holding your card near your iPhone, or you can just enter in your card details manually, whichever one you prefer. To add your card manually, click enter card details, then just add your first name and your card details. Click next. Then add in your expiration date and your security code. Click on next. Now it should say adding card. And that's how to add your card to your Apple Wallet. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, chat.